What's up, everybody? Sorry, I forgot to do the giveaway. This is the Blez Online pack giveaway for Panini Signature Series Random Team number 1. Good luck, everybody. Do the card first, and then we'll random it, see who got what. Here we go. It's a new release. It's a finest for the Thunder. Ooh. That's a rare of the Mega Flopper. I mean, Shea Gilgis, excuse me. Excuse. I'm just kidding. That's a Topps finest rare of Shea Gilgis. Oh, I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards, guys. I'm going backwards. That one was only a $12 hauler. I'm sorry. I'm going backwards. Good luck, everybody. Dice roll got to be ace, deuce, or higher. We're going, oh, I hate that number, 7 times. Goldbird's favorite number, I heard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. The Hawk Sing. Sing Baling. Gets it, guys. Sing Baling. Congratulations, Sing. You winner. That was the break, guys.